One of the things I've always wanted to get into when it comes to survival and bushcraft is wild edibles. Here in California, we have a wild herb referred to as miner's lettuce. Now, back in the gold rush days, this plant was used to curb scurvy. Now, miner's lettuce is easily identifiable. The leaves have a cupping feature with a stem that sprouts directly up through the leaf, with a flower that protrudes out the top on a short stem. Very easy to identify. Also, another distinctive feature of the leaf is its almost waxy film. And when you rub your fingers together against the leaf, it should open up and it creates a wet texture, almost like an aloe. It's also a wild edible that goes great in any dinner salad.